In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out of Smartsheet using some simple keyboard shortcuts. These tips will help you get a better view of your data, whether you're using a Windows PC or a Mac. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about zooming in. If you're on a Windows machine, all you need to do is hold down the Control key and then hit the plus sign key. For Mac users, it's a similar process. You'll hold down the CMD key and hit the plus sign key. This action will gradually enlarge your view, allowing you to see the details more clearly. Zooming in is particularly useful when you're trying to focus on a specific section of your sheet, or if the default view feels a bit too small for comfort. It's always nice to have those details come into sharper focus with just a quick action. Now, suppose you need to zoom out. Maybe things are looking a bit too large, or you want to get a bigger picture of your entire sheet. On a Windows PC, you'll press Ctrl and the minus sign key. If you're using a Mac, hold CMD and press the minus key. Zooming out gives you a broader view and is excellent for overseeing large projects where multiple elements need to be visible at once. It's like stepping back to see the entire painting instead of just a section of it. But what if you need to reset your view back to its default size? Not a problem. Whether you're on a Windows computer or a Mac, there's a quick shortcut for that too. Simply press Ctrl and the 0 key if you're using Windows, or CMD and the 0 key on a Mac. This action will instantly reset your view back to 100%, which is the standard size. This function can be very handy when you've been zooming in and out several times and want to restore your screen to a familiar baseline setting quickly. These shortcuts are designed to work seamlessly in browser environments, so you can expect consistency whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other major browsers to access Smartsheet. They're easy to remember, and once you get the hang of them, they can significantly enhance your productivity by tailoring your view to what best suits your needs at any given moment. Having the screen just right helps in navigating your tasks with ease and efficiency, keeping your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. I hope these quick tips help you master the zoom functionality in Smartsheet. With just a few keys, you can revolutionize your Smartsheet experience and make your workflow more convenient. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.